Follow the steps to create a dual lighting effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by inserting an image. First, select Subject. Then add black and white. Click this, then add a gradient map. Change the color. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. And double-click here to change color. Click here, then make sure the default position is like this. Click Brush and set the hardness to 0% and select Soft Round Brush. Use the square bracket symbol to change the brush size. And make it like this. Click here to bring up the second color. Double-click and change preset to find different styles. Finished and good luck. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the latest video updates. Thank you.